stay right in front of it. Here, move free. It's hard to get it. Got ball in my head. Plastic.
In the bird's nest.
Yep. It's really hard to get it down.
Yeah.
At least you got some of it. That's it.